We could drive along an ocean like clapping the sun. Oh my God, better friend atop a wide open sea. Under a canvas of blue, I'll throw heaven near unto you. To feel it on your skin, that is how it will begin. For summer is for falling in love. We could stay out late until the sunset past 8, and the cotton candy hides mirrors the warmth of your gaze. Raise your glass to mine, and as you drink, we will lock eyes. So we could disregard the thought of ever having to part. For summer is for falling in love. This line is so big, we both know to be fleeting, like the last breath of the sunset right before the day is dead. But maybe the heat of today could keep the winter away. So remember your laugh, 'cause nothing ever changes the fact. The summer is for falling in love. Summer is for falling in